Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ALE exports for Rhythm Cuts in Resolve, complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the edit page. Import your ALE file by clicking on File in the menu. Select Import, then navigate to your ALE file's location. Click Open to import the ALE file into your project. Locate the media pool in the top left corner. Right-click inside the media pool and select Import Media. Choose the media files associated with the ALE export. Once imported, select the timeline where you want to make your rhythm cuts. Find the clips that correspond with your ALE file. Use the blade tool to cut the clips at the designated points. Switch back to the selection tool to adjust the cuts as needed. Play through the timeline to ensure the rhythm matches your desired pacing. Use the inspector panel to make any additional adjustments to clip properties. To refine your cuts, adjust the audio levels using the Fairlight page. Export your project by clicking on the Deliver page. Choose your preferred export settings and render the project. Review the final output to ensure everything is in sync. Your rhythm cuts are now connected to the ALE exports in Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.